for nothing. I'm just using cooking spray. I'm just gonna.
Yes, I've been going to Spade Union Prep School. They really turned me around there. You might remember I was a bit of a troublemaker.
Now just gonna add a couple spoons for this peanut butter. I love peanut butter.
Spade Union, what grade does that start?
I'm taking another fork.
Hey,
And
you're going into the 8th grade.
I eat cereal too much.
Let's get to see you, sir. Ma'am? You call me sir. This is so cool.
I'm using these because I don't have too much of this. Because this will make your slime brown. So just I guess I had to go shut the microwave off for some reason. It was still going. So much working guys, and a lot of people that do film videos so that they say they work on after them or something. Don't work. But this one definitely worked. Guys, I'm just, and there is some extra marshmallows, so I'm just.
Okay, so I have one more week of school and then summer vacation. Which sounds great, but for me, summer vacation is basically a 3-month guilt trip. Just because the weather's nice, everyone expects you to be outside all day, frolicking. But the truth is, I've always been more of an indoor person. To me, the perfect way to spend summer vacation is in front of the TV playing video games. Unfortunately, my dad's idea of a perfect summer is the opposite of mine. The real problem is, he and my dad have absolutely nothing in common. But as long as I stay one step ahead of him, I think I have a shot at a fun
The
summer.
slime actually worked. And guys, if this one ever gets too sticky, add more cooking spray because if you add too much peanut butter, you won't like it. And then if you guys are big personal peanut butter, you go ahead and add peanut butter. Guys, because the peanut butter actually helped it thicken it. So yeah, here's my slime and yeah, so
Last period of the school year, people. It is still a school day, so open up Discovery History to Chapter 7.
It's the last day of school. Anyone brought their books?
Of course, you're not prepared.
Mr. Draven? I'd be honored to share my book with Greg Heffley. Bradley claims to wear a special cologne, but everyone knows he just never washes.
I'm just gonna scraping marshmallow off the sides to give it a little bit extra. Scissors with this amazing perfect slime.
Hey, Ollie. So, what are you doing this summer?
Oh, just regular summer stuff. I'm going to volunteer at the shelter, help build with Habitat for Humanity, and I'm giving tennis lessons to little kids. What about you?
Greg's gonna get to the end of Twister Wizard 2 this summer. If I have time because of all the other stuff I'll be doing.
Hey, can I sign your yearbook?
Yeah, sure, why not? You only in 7th grade 1. That's not always true, by the way. I think Andy Spitz has been in 7th grade for the last 4 years. And, why don't you put your phone number down, too?
Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did, please smash that like button. And if you guys think that your slime came out good, smash that like button. If your slime came out okay, still smash that like button. And if your slime came out horrible, still smash that like button. Because there's always a reason why your slime didn't go right. Maybe you didn't use cooking oil or some type of oil that you can eat, and it didn't work. So guys, anyway, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in another video. But first, I'm gonna try this because I actually haven't tried it yet.
Your brother?
Coming to Rocketown near you. Aww,
So here is it.
that is so
Honey, Greg was sick on picture day. Did you remember to send in a photo of him for his yearbook?
Yeah, I remembered.
But it's so good. I'm about to make a video with cooking oil. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye!